Hey YouTube, I'm back. And first of all, if you followed me for more than 5 minutes, you know that I love all things feminine. I love the color pink, clearly, that's my favorite color. I love dressing up, I love makeup, I love nails, I love hair. I love everything about being a woman. So I am very in tune with the fact that I am feminine and with my femininity. So in this video, we're gonna talk about, are men really intimidated by women? Are they afraid of us? And if they are, what can we do to counteract that or to prevent it? Stay tuned. So point number 1 is no, silly rabbit. No, men are not intimidated by women. Are they turned off by women? Are they repulsed by women? Are they offended by women? Yes, they are. But men are not intimidated by women. Let's think about this, okay? Let's just, I don't know, be logical for a minute. Why would a man be afraid of a woman? We are much smaller than they are. Our voices a lot of times are not even as projectile as theirs are. We don't have big, strong muscles. You know, you can't even win in an arm wrestle fight with a guy, really. So why would they be afraid of us or intimidated? And if they are, they're not going to admit it. I mean, for real, how wimpy is it for a man to admit that he's intimidated by a woman? That's just bananas. So the first point is no, they are not intimidated by women. They have no reason to be. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because in my last couple of consultations, the idea has come up that, well, I guess I'm just intimidating to men. Or maybe they just don't, you know, they're afraid of me. Why won't they approach me? And I'm here to tell you, point number 2 is that though men may not be intimidated, they can be turned off or repulsed by you. And I say that because men are naturally going to be attracted to a feminine woman. And yes, I'm using generalizations. I understand that there are some men who don't like women because they like men. I'm speaking about mutually attractive heterosexual relationships. In those types of relationships, men are naturally inclined to be attracted to the woman. If you are exuding a masculine personality, if your masculine traits are dominant over your feminine traits, then he is going to be repulsed by you. And when I say repulsed, I mean he's not going to be attracted. He's not going to come to you. He's not going to want to approach you because your energy is not magnetic and attractive. Your energy is repulsing him. So what do you do about that? Well, if you want to have a man approach you and not be so turned off by you, then you're going to want to exude as much as you possibly can a very feminine type of persona. Think feline as opposed to canine. That's the difference. A lot of men are canine. They're the a dog, a canine, is going to run to the door and greet you. They're gonna wag their tail. They're gonna let you know when they're hungry. They're gonna be assertive. They're gonna be always wanting to be around you, and they're gonna pursue you, and they're gonna, hey, play with me. Let's throw the ball. Take me to pee. I gotta eat. I'm sleepy. Hold me. Dogs will let you know, right? As opposed to a feline, a cat, who sometimes cat owners have to find their cats. They don't even know where their cats are. They have to go looking for them because cats are in their own world. as you should be. They are not bothered with what's going on with you. They do their own thing and they come around when they want something. And when they do, if they want your attention, it's more of instead of right? So you want to make sure that your energy and what you are exuding is very feminine, feline, as opposed to canine, masculine. So those are my thoughts. Are men intimidated, afraid, scared of women? No, of course they're not. They don't have a reason to be. Are they repulsed by women? Are they not attracted to some energy that women are exuding? Absolutely. Are there things you can do to change this? Of course there are. Comment down below what you think we should all be doing collectively to change this narrative. Let's stop saying that women are intimidating and start saying that women are repulsive to men when they are masculine. Let's create a different narrative so that we can have different experiences as women. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Get the word out, because me would like this to be a movement. I want little girls to be little girls. I want women to be women. I want ladies to be ladies. I want us all to be in exactly the place that we want to be. If you are a woman and you'd like to be masculine, I want you to do that. Also, I put the link below to the new course going from Miss Independent to Mrs. We're going to be talking about how a woman can go from working 24/7, from taking care of herself, to being a kept woman. And for some ladies, this is an absolute foreign concept. A lot of women have never allowed themselves to be taken care of, to be cared for. So they don't understand that there is a natural affinity to a feminine woman. So we are definitely going to cover this in my new course and get tips and information on how you can stop being so independent, how you can learn to sit back. What do you do when you're a kept woman? What does it mean when you stop working? What should I do now? We're going to answer all of these questions. And I know for so many women, we have to get stuff done now. We need it right now. We need the project finished. We don't have time to wait. But I'm here to let you know that most of the things that we're rushing to do, somebody else is more than happy to do that. Somebody else would take that on if you allowed them to do it. So we as women need to learn when to sit back. We need to learn to sit back and stop being the initiators, stop being the go-getters. Make sure that you are projecting feminine energy and you won't be intimidating. You won't be so like I said, that starts on July 31st. So we have another week to get signed up and get everybody in place so that we can start this 5-week course. This is not one you are gonna wanna miss, I promise you. I have been working so hard on this. I've been researching and I think this is gonna be my best class. So thank you guys so much for your support. Thanks for watching. And like I always say, I'm Michaela Pink, and that's what I think. Bye.